Welcome back to Primetime News. As we continue our election day coverage, we are now joined by JANELLA PRECIUS at the People's National Party headquarters. JANELLA.
Thank you so much, Herman. Well, it is early days yet here at 89 Old Hope Road. In previous elections, the road would have been blocked by now and a huge stage erected. But tonight, the speakers will be addressing supporters from here, this makeshift stage located to the front of the office. Now, there are a handful of supporters around, and there is an expectation that more will come. Now, the people here were literally counting down to the close of polling stations. They seem to be very optimistic about their party's chances at the poll. Herman, outside there's a heavy police presence, while on entering the property there is an elaborate thermometer and disinfectant station set up near the security booth. Now, we haven't seen any party officials just yet, and I've been told that they are preparing to make their way to party headquarters. So until such time, I'm JANELLA PRECIUS, returning it over to you.
All right, thank you, JANELLA. Now, as both parties prepare to celebrate, PNP leader Dr. Peter PHILLIPS has announced that if the PNP loses this election, he will be stepping down as party leader and president. As JANELLA PRECIUS reports, the revelation came as Dr. PHILLIPS cast his ballot in St. Andrew Northeastern.
Reach Academy in Upper St. Andrew, we observed a steady flow of people who showed up to vote. Due to the protocols, we were limited in terms of access to the polling station, but measures to contain the spread of the coronavirus were in full display. The polling station is located in the St. Andrew Eastern constituency. The man seeking to be the country's 10th Prime Minister, Dr. Peter PHILLIPS, with his family in tow, they headed into the polling station. Dr. PHILLIPs's name is on the ballot, though, in East Central St. Andrew. He's been the MP for 26 years.
You still think that you're going to get 40 seats?
I have not put a number on it. I think we will have the majority of the seats.
A loss for the opposition could mean the end of Dr. PHILLIPs's political career. We also put that issue to him.
Just to be clear, that if you lose the election today, that you're going to be retiring from politics or stepping down as party leader?
Both.
Meanwhile, the opposition leader has already begun to look ahead if the PNP forms the next government. Dr. PHILLIPS is currently 70 years old. He rose to the post of leader of the PNP in 2017 after the then president, Portia Simpson Miller, stepped down.
And the JLP leader, Andrew HOLNESS, was asked the same question. What would be his next step if his party loses?
Myself forward to the people, and I have to always be prepared for whichever outcome. But I think I still have many more years of service to the people of Jamaica.